Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to convert a convergent body to a solid body in NX. We'll start by understanding why this conversion is important for design and manufacturing workflows. Then, I'll guide you through the essential tools within NX that make this process straightforward. Finally, you'll learn an easy, step-by-step method to achieve a successful conversion, ensuring your models are ready for further engineering tasks. Before converting, it's crucial to prepare your convergent body. First, ensure the body is correctly imported into NX, checking for any initial errors. Next, carefully examine the mesh for gaps or imperfections that could hinder the conversion. Utilize the Facet Body Cleanup tool to refine the mesh, addressing any issues like non-manifold edges or small holes. This preparation step is vital for a smooth and accurate conversion to a solid model. Now, let's perform the actual conversion. Navigate to the reverse engineering tools within NX, where you'll find the Convergent to Solid command. Select your prepared convergent body. It's important to define appropriate tolerance settings. A typical value might be 0.01 mm for good accuracy. NX will then process the mesh, creating a new solid body based on your specifications. This step transforms your faceted data into a usable solid model. After conversion, verifying the new solid body is essential. Carefully inspect the model for any anomalies or areas that didn't convert as expected. Performing a section analysis can help you check the internal geometry and ensure its integrity. Once satisfied, save your newly created solid body in the desired NX format. This final check confirms that your convergent data has been successfully transformed into a fully functional solid model for your design needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.